Hello everyone, welcome to the part 2 of balcony makeover. Here you can see the condition of my balcony which I have shared in the last video, and today I will share the complete makeover. This wallpaper and it's looking so good, and you can see many markings. These are the previous nail holes. To avoid more drilling, I use the old nail holes itself. So the wall is ready like a blank canvas sheet. Now let's start coloring it. Yeah, it means let's add some shelves and some decoratives on this wall. I'll fix the same wall shelf which previously I have hanged here. Let me place this wooden plank on this clamp. Before placing the shelf in its place, I have painted the clamp and the wooden plank. Let me place some of the plants on this. This time I am keeping only the minimal maintenance plants in this balcony. So here all the plants which I am placing needs very less water once in a while. Let's hang this wooden shelf which I have done a DIY long back. The video of which is lying somewhere in my channel. If you are interested, you can look into that. Let me decorate it with some knick-knack items. So I'll hang a small bird cage and I'll add some hanging plants here and there. I have many varieties of pothos, so I'll hang this marble pothos here. I have planted a very small plant and now it's started getting bushy. And these two puppets which I have bought from Rajasthan is going with this theme. Let me hang them in this wall. And they are looking so cute. And I had this elephant hanging. This one also I will hang here. And here I am going to hang one more DIY wall decor. This time I have not done any DIY project for this balcony. Whatever is there with me, I have used the same. So on the other side, I'll just hang this coat board. I have done this using the cardboard and it's doing well since years. Let me hang one more hanging plant. And now I would like to share this plant with you. You can see how tall it is. Actually, this plant is taller than me. I am 5'1" and it's really quite bigger. It was about to die and I made it so lushy that it's doing very well. And I have kept it in this corner so that it gets a proper sunlight. And I have this tire sitter which I have not painted yet. Instead of painting, I cover this tire using one of my runner. It has beautiful prints and it covers this tire properly. And no one can make out that there is a tire inside this. And I have this wooden plank which I am going to place it above this. Now let's decorate this corner. So I have placed a small pot to give a height for my Buddha. Placing plant in a pot with the blue pottery design, which is once again a DIY. And on the other corner, let me place this plant. So I have kept this corner very simple with one plant. On the other side of the balcony wall, I am placing this wooden plate which I have painted last time. And I have not done anything for this wall and kept it as it is. I'll think whether I have to paint it or have to install some wallpaper for this wall. Now let me organize this corner. I have kept all those succulent plants in this corner. These all are baby plants and it just don't want much more water. So I have placed it in this wooden crate box and decorated with this artificial bird nest. As I have mentioned that this balcony I am using as a utility also to dry the clothes. So I have kept some essentials in this box. And you can see one pipe connection here. I have done the connection so the AC water won't dribble everywhere in this balcony. And my plants can use this water. And on this corner I have kept this metal stand. And I'll organize almost all the plants in this stand. I have some of the big plants which I have kept in my living and dining area. Because I have only one balcony and I can't place all the plants here. So I have placed almost all the plants. And here I'll hang my bird nest which I have brought from Kerala, Wayanad. So here the work is almost done. And now I will just make some sitting in this balcony. Here I'll place this green mat. And let me place two small chairs here. I have covered the chair with some cushion cover to avoid the sunlight to fall on them and get faded. And in the middle I'll just place one plant. And on the other side I'll place this bushy money plant. And just to add some color, I'm adding this artificial flowers. Here I complete my balcony makeover and here is the final look. I just try to keep this balcony colorful following some themes. I hope you like my ideas. And I'll try to share all the DIY videos link in the description box. And this wind chime give a positive sound in my balcony. And I have made one beautiful chandelier which I am hanging now in this balcony. I have not connected any light for this but simply I have hanged it here. And one more thing I forgot to mention that I have not used the grass mat to cover the floor. As I told, I want minimal maintenance balcony. So if I use this grass mat, it will be a big task to clean it. And if it is necessary, I will use some good rugs in this area. So here you see the after makeover of my balcony. Friends, I hope you like this video. For the effort which I have put to bring this balcony back to life, please do consider to like and subscribe this channel. I hope this video is helpful for you. And see you soon in my next video. Till then, you can watch my other videos as well. Thank you for watching. Take care and bye.